Hi everyone and welcome back to another crazy adventure. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here once again, and we're down here by Poniente Beach. And unbelievably, for the time it is, it's actually quite busy. Still tons of people out on the beach walking home, going for an evening walk, and unbelievably as well, we still have the jet skis out, the parasailers, all the water activities. So yeah, let me flip the camera around and show you how busy it is. So of course we got the nice beachfront bars, but main attraction, Poniente Beach, and it is just heaving. It is literally heaving. You can see it as well. There's still people in the sea, and the busyness of the beach goes on for quite a way down as well, actually. So, wow. Gonna take a walk into my favourite area now, the most beautiful park in Benidorm, Elche Park. Parc de Elche, or as the Brits tend to know it, Dove Park. Now I have got Scooter C with us tonight, so just trying to make sure I don't lose her as much as I've always wanted to do it, guys. She does have a way of finding herself home. Yeah, and she's got the house keys as well, so yeah, that's where the problem kind of comes in. So at the start of Elche Park, you do have the very fabulous Hotel H10 Porto Poniente. Absolute gorgeous hotel, that guys. Overlooks Poniente seafront, of course. So if you've ever stayed there, drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Yeah. Show you a statue there as well. Not sure if that's going to focus. Maybe if you want, try to pause it and translate what it says. So tonight is a Monday night, Monday 24th of June, already as well. Makes you wonder where the month's gone, guys. Seems like only the other week were my birthday, and now here we are nearly end of the blooming month again. The outdoor gym as well. Best thing about Benidorm is the outdoor gyms, guys. And well, I mean, who wouldn't want to do a workout with that view? Absolute gorgeous. And of course, if you can just about see that, island of Benidorm as well, the island that follows you practically everywhere you go in Benidorm. Anyway, as I was saying, it is Monday the 24th of June. Spain have got Albania tonight. I'm not sure whether they make it back on time to watch the big match or not, but fingers crossed for España. Now, of course, with Poniente Seafront as well, you do have the buses, the number 2 and number 3 if you do get a bit tired of walking or maybe you're wanting to go elsewhere. Calafinistrap or somewhere like that, or Carrefour or Corte Inglés. Now, if you don't know, Carrefour's just like a huge sort of supermarket, and our Corte Inglés is a big shopping centre. 2 brilliant places if you've never been up there. And we have the wooden fairground lights. They're cool. And quite detailed as well. Like, I imagine they must have cost a fair bit to make. All made of wood as well then. And well, if you do ever see the sort of wooden fairground lights in Elche Park, if you're wanting to go on them yourself, well, if your kids want to go on them, little ticket booth there and ice cream shop. Could do with an ice cream now, actually. You got the swing ride, pirate boats, and all that. The big pirate ship as well. And as you're near the sort of end of Elche Park, you do see the train as well. I think that's differently priced at €3, but still not bad. Yeah, there's some marine across the road, and the main attraction of Elche Park, the fountain or the doves. You can feed them, guys. They will come and sit on your arm, your head, or even your scooter. Absolute great area. Looking back round the area we're in. Go find myself somewhere to finish that's a bit quieter. So yeah, guys, make sure to smash the like, smash the subscribe as well. And as always, remember, it's another day in the office, it's another day in paradise. See you soon.